Hello and welcome to my channel. Darren's Villaging and More presents part 4 of 4, adding vegetation to my Halloween platform. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Let's take a look at the artificial vegetation options that I'll be using for the tabletop platform. With the centerpiece of this platform being my reimagined Lemax Evil Lighted Pumpkin, I wanted to use him in a scarecrow scene. And after running to my local hobby shop, I picked up some wheat from JTT in the HO scale to use as my field vegetation. I also picked up a variety pack of peel and stick miniature plants on Amazon by a company called Wormtree. These peel and stick plants are more of a universal filler and not specific to any one scale. I'll post a link in the video description to the peel and stick plants. Now that the options are laid out, let's work on application. Before we get started, this section of the video has been sped up by a factor of 3. I'm going to start with the wheat from JTT in front of my reimagined lighted evil pumpkin. The wheat simply pokes through the moss mat directly into the foam base. I'll work my way down and around the platform. As I lay out the vegetation, the platform starts to take its final shape. Thank you for watching. This has been Darren's Villaging and More presents part 4 of 4, adding vegetation to my Halloween platform. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you haven't seen the other parts of the series, please check them out.